Are you looking for the best sublimation printer for heat transfer? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best printer on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2750 printer. Epson EcoTank 2750 is a most favorite when it comes to sublimation, as it is great not only in terms of compatibility but also perfect for longevity. You will get everything within this printer which should be present in any professional sublimation printer. Along with many exceptional features, ET2750 also enables you to print within the low operational costs, as it has ink tanks instead of ink cartridges that are easy to refill and will also save your money. It is a light-weighted printer having larger ink tanks present in the right corner of bottom, so it will be easier to move. You will get 1200 by 2400 dpi resolution display in EcoTank 2750. Although it is made from thin plastic, but it does not affect the closing mechanism of this printer. To keep you away from spilling ink on your printers while refilling it, Epson has taken a great initiative. As in the printer you will find 102 bottles having nozzles that are perfect fit for your tanks. All you have to do is just remove the lid from the chamber of every tank, then unscrew caps of bottles, and after inserting just wait for the tanks to get filled. Number 2. Epson Workforce 1100 Wide Format Printer. Epson Workforce 1100 is one of the best printer for sublimation and heat transfer because of its smudged, fade and water-resistant prints. The printer is basically designed for everyday education-related project or to print business-related documents. I found its printing speed quite impressive, as you can easily print maximum of 30 black pages and 17.0 colored pages in a minute with this device. It's a laser quality printer whose text up speed is comparatively 2 times faster than inkjet printers. Epson Workforce 1100 has earned the name because of its higher quality and efficient performance. For taking high-quality prints on a large scale, you can rest assured on this. You can also use it to create your spreadsheets and brochure lies within the size of 13 by 19 inches. Another great thing about this printer is that it consumes 70% less power as compared to other laser printers. Because of its wider format, you can consider it a best heat transfer printer, and it also features a double-sided printing. However, this thing is heavier in weight, which can be made lighter. One more thing you should know about is its cartridges can get dried pretty quickly if you are not printing for longer. Number 3. Lexmark MC3224 de Multifunction Laser Printer. Lexmark MC3224 has the capability to perform multifunctions such as faxing, copying, and printing. Therefore, it wouldn't be wrong to say that it is an all-in-one printer that can be used for sublimation. The printer comes with excellent features that are only comfortable to use and gives efficient performance by providing you with high-quality printed images. Ethernet and USB 2.0 ports can easily be found on the rear of printer to connect it with your device. You can also opt for mobile printing because of Mopria, Apple AirPrint, and Lexmark mobile printing app. It enables you to secure your documents that are saved either on your devices or over the network. Printing speed of almost 24 ppm for single-sided printing and 13 pages per minute for duplex printing is quite a catch. Furthermore, you will also get a feature of energy-saving mode, so you can automatically switch between print and sleep modes. However, the thing which might hold it back from its competitors is the absence of automated document feeder, which is required to transfer multi-page documents. Also, its operating cost is also costly as compared to its rivals. I would highly recommend you to go with this Lexmark MC3224 if you are choosing a best sublimation printer for a beginner because of its ability to perform multifunctions. It will also be convenient for you to use in homes or for small business. Number 4. Canon PIXMA G5020 SuperTank Printer. Canon PIXMA G5020 is a high-yielding inkjet printer that comes with the excellent performance. It is a fact that for heat transfer prints one tends to print on the photo papers. PIXMA G5020 enables such printing to be done on the higher speed. black paper printing is usually a faster process than color printing, but if you want to choose an inkjet printer with higher speed for colored prints, you can go with Epson Stylus C88 Plus color printer. Everything about this sublimation printer is quite amazing, but there is one thing which can be better in its features. I found its dye-based colors ample for daily usage. Third-party cartridges are not a smart choice as their thickness can lead to the blockage of your printer's head, causing prominent damages. However, the printer comes with a separate tank for every color, as you can guess by its name, MegaTank. With the ink bottles of G5020 you can get 6,000 printed pages of black text and 7,700 printed pages for colored text. You will get multiple connectivity options within this machine, such as inbuilt Wi-Fi. For budget buyers, PIXMA G5020 will be a best sublimation printer for heat press that requires only few ink cartridges. Number 5. HP OfficeJet Pro 8035 All-in-One Wireless Printer. HP Pro 8035 comes with a wide range of amazing features that makes your printing experience better. The sublimation printer enables you to print 20 pages black and 10 pages colored printers within a minute. This compact printer is 14% smaller in size comparatively to other printers. Automated dual printing is also an amazing addition in HP printers. It is a multifunction device, so you can also use it for faxing and scanning. HP Pro 8035 also includes a 2.7 inches capacitive CGD touchscreen that makes your work more convenient. With this, you will also be getting an ample ink supply which will let you print for almost 8 months. Getting to print 100 pages within a month will make your life more convenient. Also, if you are buying this for your business or business-related tasks, its digitizing feature will be a great help in accomplishing your task. Other than that, you can also use this printer for organizing your business receipts from your mobile phone or laptop. HP Pro 8035 is one of the best sublimation printer with fast speed and efficiency, which one must consider before buying a sublimation printer for heat transfer. Another amazing thing of this printer is its self-healing property, so there is no need to worry if your Wi-Fi connectivity gets lost.